Earthkind living emerged as a movement in the early 20th century, driven by growing concerns over environmental degradation and the detrimental impacts of human activities on ecosystems. Initially, practices like recycling and composting were introduced in urban areas of the United States and Europe, aiming to reduce waste and promote sustainability. By the 1970s, the Green Revolution brought about significant changes with the introduction of organic farming techniques in Japan, resulting in a 30% increase in crop yields while maintaining soil health. The publication of Silent Spring by Rachel Carson in 1962 highlighted the risks of chemical pesticides, catalyzing a broader interest in eco-friendly alternatives. In the 1980s, the concept of the triple bottom line emerged, emphasizing economic, social, and environmental performance. By the 1990s, Earthkind living had expanded globally, with countries like Germany and Sweden implementing strict waste reduction policies. Today, the movement has influenced the adoption of renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind, contributing to a 50% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. In the future, the implementation of smart city technologies is expected to further enhance sustainability, with projections suggesting a 25% reduction in energy consumption by 2050. Optimize Earthkind living practices by incorporating AI-driven tools for waste reduction and energy efficiency, ensuring continuous improvement and wider adoption.